Claude 3.7 Sonnet has just been released, and it has completely crushed every other AI model in the world. This is the first ever hybrid reasoning model, setting a new benchmark for artificial intelligence by combining ultra-fast responses with deep, multi-step analytical thinking. It has outperformed GPT-4, Gemini, and every major competitor, proving that hybrid reasoning is the future of AI. This breakthrough allows Claude 3.7 Sonnet to operate in two distinct modes. In fast mode, it delivers quick and efficient responses, ideal for real-time conversations and rapid data processing. In deep thinking mode, it engages in multi-step problem-solving, excelling in complex reasoning, coding, mathematics, and logical analysis. Unlike traditional AI models that are either fast but shallow or deep but slow, Claude 3.7 Sonnet dynamically adapts to the complexity of the task, ensuring the best balance between speed and accuracy. Claude 3.7 Sonnet has set new industry records across multiple benchmarks. It scored 70.3% on the SWE Bench verified coding test, proving its dominance in real-world software development. It also features an expanded 128,000 token context window, allowing it to process longer conversations, full research papers, and large datasets without losing coherence. It follows instructions more accurately than any previous model, eliminating errors and misinterpretations that have plagued earlier AI systems. This new hybrid reasoning approach is a complete rethinking of how AI should function. Traditional models struggle with balancing efficiency and depth, forcing users to choose between quick responses or detailed analysis. Claude 3.7 Sonnet eliminates this trade-off, offering a system that is both highly responsive and deeply analytical when necessary. By dynamically allocating computational power, it avoids unnecessary processing while maintaining an unparalleled level of understanding. Claude 3.7 Sonnet stands out against every competitor. It writes, debugs, and optimizes code more efficiently than any other model, making it the top choice for software engineers. Its 128,000 token memory ensures it remembers and processes vast amounts of information, making it ideal for long-form content creation, research, and complex discussions. It excels in multi-step reasoning, following intricate instructions with precision, and is significantly more intuitive in conversations, delivering responses that are contextually aware and human-like. Its impact extends far beyond standard chatbot applications. Businesses can use it for financial forecasting, data analysis, and strategic planning with unmatched accuracy. Medical professionals can leverage its advanced research capabilities for analyzing medical studies and assisting in diagnoses. Legal professionals can rely on it for in-depth case research and document analysis at a speed that no human team could match. Unlike other AI models that operate within rigid frameworks, Claude 3.7 Sonnet puts users in control. It allows real-time adjustment of its reasoning depth, meaning users can get quick answers for simple queries or deep, step-by-step breakdowns for complex problems. This adaptability makes it the most flexible AI model available today. Claude 3.7 Sonnet represents a fundamental shift in artificial intelligence. Instead of focusing solely on making AI faster, it improves the way AI thinks and adapts to user needs. This model is paving the way for AI that is not just a tool, but an intelligent partner capable of handling real-world challenges with precision. The hybrid reasoning capabilities of Claude 3.7 Sonnet make it ideal for high-stakes industries that require both rapid processing and in-depth analysis. It can power advanced decision-making systems in finance, analyzing global market trends and predicting investment risks more accurately than any previous model. In medicine, it can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases by cross-referencing patient symptoms with massive datasets of medical research. In scientific research, it can help physicists and engineers solve complex equations, simulating outcomes with unprecedented accuracy. These capabilities put Claude 3.7 Sonnet in a league of its own, far beyond simple chatbot applications. Its superior instruction-following abilities mean it can process and execute multi-step requests with remarkable precision. Previous AI models have struggled with complex workflows, often misinterpreting steps or providing incomplete results. Claude 3.7 Sonnet has overcome this limitation by integrating context-aware processing, which enables it to adapt its approach based on the specific nuances of a request. This makes it a powerful tool for content creators, educators, and businesses needing precise, high-quality outputs with minimal human oversight. One of the key advantages of Claude 3.7 Sonnet is its energy-efficient processing. While most AI models require extensive computational power, leading to high operational costs, this model optimizes resource allocation. By intelligently managing how much processing power is devoted to each query, it reduces unnecessary computational overhead while maintaining high accuracy. This efficiency not only cuts costs for companies using AI, but also makes it more accessible for smaller businesses and independent developers. Security is another major focus of Claude 3.7 Sonnet. With increasing concerns about AI models generating misleading or harmful content, this system incorporates enhanced safeguards. It has been designed to filter out misinformation, detect biases, and provide balanced, well-reasoned answers. This ensures that it remains a trusted resource for professionals who rely on AI for critical decision-making. Its ability to verify information against authoritative sources before generating responses sets a new standard for reliability in artificial intelligence. Claude 3.7 Sonnet also introduces improvements in multilingual processing. It can accurately translate and analyze text in multiple languages with near-native fluency, making it a valuable tool for global businesses, researchers, and content creators. This eliminates language barriers and allows for seamless collaboration across international teams. It understands cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions, ensuring that its translations retain contextual accuracy. This level of linguistic intelligence is unmatched by any previous AI model. Its expanded token memory makes it ideal for professionals who need to reference large amounts of information without losing continuity. Previous models have struggled with long-form conversations, often forgetting earlier parts of a discussion or failing to maintain logical consistency. Claude 3.7 Sonnet resolves this issue by tracking context over extended interactions, making it an invaluable assistant for complex research projects and ongoing business negotiations. As the first true hybrid reasoning model, Claude 3.7 Sonnet sets the foundation for the next generation of AI advancements. It demonstrates that AI does not have to choose between speed and depth. It can excel at both. This model proves that AI can be designed to operate more like human intelligence, adjusting its approach based on the complexity of a given task. This breakthrough opens the door for future developments that could make AI even more intuitive and adaptable. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is not just an update. It is a complete redefinition of what artificial intelligence can achieve. By mastering hybrid reasoning, it has surpassed all previous benchmarks and positioned itself as the most advanced AI system available. Whether for businesses, researchers, or everyday users, it provides unparalleled accuracy, efficiency, and flexibility. It is setting a new industry standard and proving that artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Would you use Claude 3.7 Sonnet as your go-to AI? Do you think hybrid reasoning will replace traditional AI models? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI breakthroughs and tech updates.